Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you so much for coming here. If you are a practicing member, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm gonna be trying 10 fashion hacks. You know all these hacks we normally see. I want to test if it's film trick or if it's true, if it actually works. Embark on this journey with me, and you will learn one or two fashion hacks for yourself. So, for my first magic trick, I'm supposed to tuck my clothes into my bra to make it feel like a crop top, give a crop top vibe. Tuck it into my bra. So I'm gonna do that like this woman right here is doing. So the next one is to use a shoelace to give sexy pant line vibes. It's supposed to be done like this. You're supposed to tie your shoelace to your button and then tie it at the back. And then boom, sexy. So let's see how it goes. Looky sharp, looky sexy. Let's go. I see. Are you seeing the sexiness? Let's go. Alexa, play me. All I want is your waist, your waist, your waist. All I want is your. The third one is to use a rubber band to loosen your jeans if it's too tight. So we're gonna try that one out right now. This one is not too tight, but you can use it as reference. It has a button. Once your jeans has a button and a loop, I'll be waiting the collab. You can do it. So let's get into it. This will actually help a lot because it will make your to make it loose and comfortable. So yeah, this people are not lying though. They know they lie. Loosening jeans. Check. This one is going to be a rubber band trick again. We are going to use a rubber band. So in the videos they use tinier rubber bands though, but I don't get fat. If your zipper is going down, you're supposed to loop the rubber band into the zipper thing, and hold it tight on your button so it will stop going down. So let's try and see. This is actually wise. It's a very wise thing to do because the zip is tied onto the button. Do you get the rubber band is holding the zip to the button, so there's no way it's gonna go down. Wisdom. Let's go. So zipper going down hack. Check. For this magic trick, I'm gonna be using a dirty sneakers, an old toothbrush, and toothpaste. They said if your sneakers are dirty, you can use a toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush and a little toothpaste to clean it if you don't have time. Because if you have time, why are you using toothbrush and toothpaste? Please use normal water and however else you clean. But if you don't have time, so we're gonna try this out. Please use old toothbrush. Don't I use toothbrush and using toothbrush yet. So let's check it out. actually worked. This act nah. Wait a second. So this is not a lie. See here. See how this place is. See. You see how it is now? See how it is now? See how it was before? Man, this actually worked though. Low key. Let's go! So for our next magic trick, we're gonna be using shoelace. I'm gonna be using a shoelace to tie up a shirt and make it look salesy, like this woman is doing. So I hope I hope it works. Anyway, I'm gonna change this shirt because this shirt, I don't think this shirt is a good idea. So let's go. No, no. Maybe it will work for some people. Hey, oh, this shirt don't they lose? Maybe I'm sorry, but no, not exactly the result I wanted to get. Maybe I used the wrong shade. Maybe I did something wrong, but I'm sorry. No, no, don't do it. The next one is a knot. The knot that used to be here. I don't know if any of you have tried a knot, but it always ends up sad. It always ends in tears, and it always ends up looking very rough. But this woman's own, it looks like something I can actually try, and it looks like it will turn out well. But you never know till you try. So let's see if it's film trick or if she's being genuine. Either I'm doing it wrong or maybe I'm not as slim as the woman. But no. Honestly, I actually thought this would work. To be very honest, nah. Apparently, no. This next one, it looks very tricky. It looks very, very tricky, but I mean, don't judge a book by its cover, right? So I'm gonna try it and yeah, if it's okay. Nope. Not like I'm gonna wear it anyway though, but there are some people that might actually want to do this. So let's go.
No, 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 no.
No, I'm sorry, but no, no. This is another fashion hack from the pit of hell. Cause waiting be this. No thanks. No thanks. I'd rather buy a gun. For this one, I'm going to use this shirt. I feel like this one actually works. What do you think? Cause yeah, I feel like maybe this shirt is not giving it as much vibe as it's supposed to. But low key, it's worked though. See now, it's giving that whole silky tying vibe. If you're gonna wear a shirt like this, please don't don't do this. If this one has this white thing, don't do it, please. I feel like it low key worked though. I mean, piercings. For the very last fashion hack, we're gonna use a shirt. You want to tie your hair or you want to cover your hair while sleeping or something, and maybe you made a kind of hairstyle that is really big and can't be contained in a hairnet, or if you wear a hairnet this will be comfortable. People must really look for alternatives instead of using net. So this hack is supposed to work, and I hope it does because it looks really comfortable. Like it actually looks nice and chill. So Let's see if it's gonna work. This is a very poor attempt. But yeah. I mean I tried to an extent. anyways anyways, this is rubbish, but you get the point. If it actually works, I feel like it works. It works. Appearances. This works. Please, back to my original outfit because I look like a mess right now. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't learn today. I have learned the ones I'm going to keep and the ones that are going to be thrown back to the pit of hell. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and tell me which one was your best fashion hack or the one that actually makes sense. Please tell me in the comments if you feel like you have other fashion hacks I can try. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Perfect.